open die forging or closed die forging? Which process actually fits your component? Open die forging shapes hot metal between flat or simple dies, and it is ideal for large, heavy, low volume components like shafts, rings, cylinders, and blocks. When the part needs heavy reduction, custom sizing, and strong internal integrity, open die forging becomes the practical choice for critical heavy engineering applications. Closed die forging, on the other hand, uses shaped dies to form the component closer to its final geometry. It works best for repeatable parts like flanges, connectors, brackets, bodies, and complex profiles. If your component needs tight tolerances, predictable grain flow, near-net shape, and consistent mechanical performance, closed die forging is usually the better option. So choose open die when the part is heavy, custom, and short run. Choose closed die when the geometry is fixed, repeatable, and precision-driven. And for complex critical parts, the best route can be hybrid open die preform followed by closed die finishing